In this video, I'll show you how to open a PDF file in Google Docs. If you have a PDF file and you want to edit the text inside it using Google Docs, the easiest way to do that is through Google Drive. This is useful when you receive a PDF and need to make changes, copy the text, or turn it into a document you can work with more easily. The good thing is that you do not need any extra software. As long as you have a Google account, you can do the whole process online in just a few steps. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Sign in to your Google account if you are not already signed in. Once you're inside Google Drive, click the New button on the left side, then choose File Upload. After that, find the PDF file on your computer and upload it. You can also drag the PDF file directly from your desktop into Google Drive if that feels quicker. When the upload is finished, you'll see the PDF appear in your drive. At this point, if you click it once, Google Drive may open a preview of the file. That is helpful if you only want to read it, but if you want to edit the file in Google Docs, you need to take one more step. Right-click the PDF file, move to Open With, and then choose Google Docs. As soon as you do that, Google will create a new Google Docs version of the PDF and open it in a new tab. This is the part where the PDF gets converted into an editable document. Now, depending on the original PDF, the results can look a little different. If the PDF is mostly simple text, the conversion usually works pretty well. But if the file has lots of images, tables, unusual fonts, or complicated formatting, some parts may shift around after it opens in Google Docs. That is why it's always a good idea to scroll through the document and check everything after the conversion is complete. If the PDF is a scanned file, meaning it is really just an image of text, Google Docs may still try to detect the words and turn them into editable text. This can work, but the accuracy depends on how clear the scan is. So if the text looks messy or some words are wrong, that is usually the reason. Once the file is open in Google Docs, you can edit the text, change formatting, copy content, or share the document just like any other Google Doc. Your original PDF will still stay in Google Drive, and the converted Google Docs version becomes a separate file. So, to open a PDF file in Google Docs, upload it to Google Drive, right-click it, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. That's the easiest way to turn a PDF into an editable document you can work with online. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.